It's your boy, is Dre. Back on another video. You guys can probably actually hear me now. I wasn't gonna record it, but I was like, might as well make a video out of it. And then, literally cracking my oil pan. I think like last week. I don't know how, but I don't know. Like these past 2 weeks just haven't been my week. You guys pray for me. I ended up cracking it. It's been leaking, so literally had to go get a jack. It was about time for me to get a jack. Getting tired of buying people jack, and I had jack stands already. I had caught them on sale at Harbor Freights for $29.99. Can't beat that. The ones at Walmart was like $40. So I'm already down to the T. Let me get down here. Watching me. But anyway, I just want to show you guys. Right now I'm letting it drain. It drained out. You know what I'm saying? I got this pan from Walmart for like $1.90, so it came in handy. So right now I'm just letting it all drain out. Then I'm gonna end up taking out all these freaking screws and then replacing it with the new pan. Then I got another video. I have my heat exchanger now, so I'm end up putting my heat exchanger on so I can stop heat soaking. Oh my god, I'm just looking at my heat exchanger now and that mug is so little. So I took everything off already. In the process of about to take this off and then put the new one on. It already comes with the factory padding and everything, so hopefully it fits. Got it off eBay. So yeah. In the process of doing that right now. Then after I take the pan off, I'll show y'all. But literally, this is a new one. Already comes off eBay. eBay for the win. It's supposed to be OEM fit, just like OEM. So every other place I've seen, they had these mugs for like almost $150, $100, $120. Caught this one off eBay for like $60, bro. Can't beat that. So I'm about to see if it fits OEM, and if it does, that's a win-win situation. So y'all stay tuned. Sheesh. All right, back at it. So comparison, they literally look identical. Literally look stock OEM. Thinking about doing the aluminum one, but I probably should have. But if I can get a chance, I'm gonna go ahead and get the Z1 aluminum under tray. That way I can protect underneath the car and stuff like this from this happening again. Like I said, it was an easy fix, but you know what I'm saying, ain't nobody trying to do this every 2-3 weeks or whatever, the G. So yeah, I'm trying to see what's the difference between them. So if Infinity do say something like, oh, you don't have the stock OEM aluminum plate, you know what I'm saying? I don't think it'd be, you know what I'm saying? I still got warranty on my car. Okay, I see it says on the side it has torque 3J37NM. That's probably the only difference I see. But if anything, I can put my one factory stock drain plug back on and just keep the other one. But I'm about to show y'all what it look like underneath. Get down. Snap. Okay. In here. Engine light swimwear. Okay, but this is literally what it looks like underneath. Got paper down and stuff like that, but this is what you see underneath. I don't know if you see the rods and pistons and stuff like that, but you see it's dripping. Maybe if you need to fill it back up with oil. But yeah. Oh, you can see them kind of in the dark, but yeah. I'm gonna get oil on the phone, but yeah, it's really light underneath. I'm about to go ahead and put the new one on. Basically, I got a brand new filter. Trying to see if I should just fill it back up with the old oil or should I fill it up with new oil. I have oil purple over there, and I'm just gonna go from there. But you can see underneath, bro, like how it's just beat up, bro, from being so low. And this is stock height. Yeah. So yeah, that's why I want to get the aluminum so I can protect this. And I also have I had points. I got a front piece so I can kind of protect it, because I thought the heat exchange I was going to get was going to be the burger tuning one. That one sits right here in the front. It makes it look real cool. But I ended up getting them. I got a much bigger one, so I ain't really complaining about it. So I'm gonna go ahead and install that too while I'm at it. Then that should be it. But yeah, like I said, you can't really tell the difference, bro. It's literally OEM. So I'm gonna go ahead and install the new one, and then wrap this up, then lower it, and then get to it. I ain't gonna lie to you, I kind of did it too early, but it was a cold start for like almost a week and a half. I haven't drove it. But I'm about to look underneath, make sure ain't no leaks. So far, so good. Ain't nothing leaking on the ground, so that's a good sign. I can go ahead and put everything back, put it on my grill in the center, etc. So we are green. I just want to make sure everything good and dandy. I didn't even end up using it, so I might just take that back. So I put the OW30 Mobile 1 back in there. So yeah, stay tuned. I'm about to take it for a drive and see how I perform, etc. But yeah, stay tuned. Alrighty, yes sir. A little POV. I'm probably just gonna go down the block a little bit. But yeah, it's up and running. It's running smooth. Tire light is on because I haven't driven in a minute. 27. Oh, how the hell I got 37 on one tire? It makes no sense. But yeah, just cruising. I literally need to turn this AC off, low key. Okay, man. Put the window down. It's a little cool outside. 78. I take it, baby. I take it. Sorry if my window look kind of dark. I do have my window tinted 35%, but I don't know if you could tell. I mean, that's in my eyebrow, but yeah. Little POV. Like I said, it's going around the corner. Make sure everything fine and dandy, and I'll pull over to see I'm sliding. Bro. Motherfucker moving. See? Oh, I miss driving this thing, bro. Woo! Yes, sir. Trying to see if I can get some turbo sounds. I mean, I can't get on no pulls because the ground is like literally wet. I ain't trying to do that. I did one pull and I was literally sliding. I think I caught it on video. I was literally spinning like a mug. Got intakes, trying to get a little bit of turbo noise in there. But yeah, I just drove it for like at least a good 5-10 minutes. Make sure my oil pan is good, so it should be good from now on. I might end up switching the oil, just depends. But yeah, it's probably a little bit for a little POV. About to head back to the crib, get some food, and then call it a night. So yeah. Okay, yes. Oh, I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna probably pull it to the gas station to show y'all right quick. But yeah, stay tuned. Bro, the lighting here is like spectacular. But I wanted to show y'all that I did change my seat out. Got a new seat in here. Look at this mosquito I sat on. It's good for his ass. I'm trying to get free rides and shit. But nah, they didn't get it for the long for the plastic. But yeah, got a new Bobby seat. That's all. Yeah, a little quick walk around. Sheesh. The lighting is, oh my god. Yes, sir. I hope this is in 4K too. Jeez. I got more stuff coming soon. I was really trying to get gas, but I don't have my card. I might end up going to Walmart. But yeah, a little quick walk around. See the look. Like the lighting at this gas station is just A1. Oh my god. Jeez. I'm gonna put this on the IG. Yes, sir. Boy, 4K. Had to bring the whip outside. It's been locked up in the garage for too long. But yeah, it's probably the end of this video. I'm gonna go home and get some food. Call it a day. Okay, this might be the end of the video. If you did like the content, please like and subscribe. Comment down below. And let me know what you guys think. I have more stuff on the way that I already have that I just need to put on. I'm gonna just go from there, and then like I said, you know what I'm saying, if you like the content and if you want to see other stuff other besides like just going to car meets and stuff, like you want to see me do this or do that, just comment down below and I'll check it out. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead, like, subscribe, comment, and yeah, if you're rocking with your boy, you know, so go ahead and sub to the channel. Peace.